Absolutely. There's no doubt in my mind that Bitcoin will become known as the most pristine form of collateral in the world. And at People's Reserve, we believe it goes even further than that. We believe that we're going to see a true free market internet economy yield curve. Forget about the federal funds rate and the traditional yield curve that uses stated rates and anchor rates. So, in other words, Bitcoiners will become known as the risk-free borrowers. And the risk-free rate of return will be Bitcoin-powered financial products. It's no longer going to be governments who have the power of the printer who establish the risk-free rate. Just because somebody can print money and pay it to you doesn't mean it's risk-free. And that wasn't as clear before COVID. But as you said, there's been massive dilution of the cash equivalent of the treasury debt since then. And what we've seen is that if you hold, if you lend your money to the government, they give you a cash equivalent, right? They give you a treasury bill, note, or bond. Over time, that bill, note, or bond is actually actively diluted. The supply is being expanded of that perpetually because we run deficit budgets. So there's no way around that. Yes. They have to create more of it. So you're holding your principal in a cash equivalent that's being diluted through the life of the loan. So even as a collateral, banks hold cash equivalents as collateral, as an asset, a collateral asset to back bank deposit liabilities. But when interest rates went up, the market value of those assets went below the value of the issued liabilities. So they have to create the bank term funding program. This is the problem with the current collateral of the system. It can be diluted over time. Bitcoin as a collateral cannot be diluted. Therefore, it's a stronger collateral. It's a more pristine collateral because through the life of the loan, value accrues to the collateral, which makes the loan more healthy and less risky. Whereas in a cash equivalent, the loan actually becomes more risky over time. So we're redefining the risk-free borrower and risk-free rate of return with Bitcoin-powered finance.